Hello beautiful radiant people. Today we are diving into the world of beauty. We are going to uncover two fabulous methods of how to make DIY anti-aging collagen powder for youthful radiance at home. Your face will glow even in old age. Welcome back to the Fragrant Life Channel, your go-to for health, beauty, and wellness. For our new friends, don't just watch and move on, please show you appreciate this video by hitting the subscribe button, like, comment and share. Creating your own anti-aging collagen powder at home is a rewarding and cost-effective way to support your skin's health. Watch on to discover. When it comes to concocting your homemade collagen booster powder, the first step is selecting the right ingredients. These ingredients should be rich in nutrients that are vital for collagen production, ensuring your powder packs a powerful punch for your skin's health and appearance. As we age, the production of collagen in our skin decreases, leading to wrinkles and fine lines. Collagen is a vital protein that provides elasticity and strength to the skin, and incorporating it into your routine can contribute to a more youthful appearance. Instead of relying on commercial products, why not try making your own anti-aging collagen powder at home? It's simple, cost-effective, and allows you to control the quality of ingredients. Now get your paper and pen. Method 1. Ingredients are 1. Grass-fed beef or fish bones, for collagen extraction. Number 2. Vitamin C-rich fruits, e.g., oranges, strawberries. 3. A blender or food processor. Now let's get started. 1. Source high-quality bones. Start by obtaining grass-fed beef or fish bones from a reliable source. The collagen extracted from these bones is rich in amino acids essential for skin health. 2. Clean and boil the bones. Thoroughly clean the bones to remove any impurities. Boil them in water for several hours until the collagen breaks down and the liquid becomes a broth. 3. Extract the collagen. Once the broth has cooled, strain it to separate the liquid from the bones. This liquid is now rich in collagen. 4. Add vitamin C-rich fruits. Enhance the absorption of collagen by blending the liquid with vitamin C-rich fruits like oranges or strawberries. Vitamin C is known to boost collagen production in the body. 5. Dehydrate the mixture. Spread the collagen and fruit mixture on a tray and dehydrate it. You can use a dehydrator or your oven set to a low temperature. This process will result in a powder-like consistency. 6. Store in a cool, dark place. Transfer your homemade collagen powder into a clean, airtight container and store it in a cool, dark place. This will help preserve its quality. How to use it? Add a teaspoon of your DIY anti-aging collagen powder to your daily smoothies, juices, or even a cup of coffee. Regular consumption may contribute to improved skin elasticity and a more youthful complexion over time. There you have it. Creating your own anti-aging collagen powder at home is a rewarding and cost-effective way to support your skin's health. By incorporating this natural supplement into your daily routine, you take a proactive step towards maintaining a radiant and youthful appearance. Remember, consistency is key, so make it a part of your daily wellness routine for optimal results. Remember to subscribe, like, comment and share if you haven't already. Method 2. Ingredients. 1. Vitamin C powder. Vitamin C is a key player in collagen synthesis, making it an essential component of your homemade powder. Fruits such as oranges, lemons, and limes are excellent sources of vitamin C, as are vegetables like bell peppers. Don't forget about strawberries, which are not only delicious but also bursting with this vital nutrient. Number 2. Antioxidants play a crucial role in protecting collagen from damage caused by free radicals. Including antioxidant-rich ingredients in your powder can help maintain the integrity of your skin's collagen structure. Green tea, berries, and leafy greens are excellent choices for adding a dose of antioxidants to your blend. Collagen itself is a protein, so it makes sense that including protein-rich ingredients in your powder can help boost collagen production. 3. Consider incorporating bone broth, gelatin, or collagen peptides powder into your blend. These sources of protein provide the building blocks necessary for your body to create collagen naturally. For optimal results, it's essential to use fresh and organic ingredients whenever possible. Fresh produce contains higher levels of nutrients, ensuring that your powder is as potent as possible. Choosing organic ingredients also helps minimize exposure to pesticides and other harmful chemicals. Before processing your ingredients, be sure to wash them thoroughly to remove any dirt, pesticides, or contaminants. This step is especially important if you're using fruits or vegetables that you've purchased from a grocery store or farmer's market. For if you're using fresh produce in your powder, it's crucial to ensure that it's completely dry before proceeding with the next steps. Excess moisture can lead to mold growth, ruining your powder and potentially causing health issues. You can dry your ingredients using a dehydrator, an oven set to a low temperature, or even by air drying them in a well-ventilated area. Once your ingredients are prepped and ready to go, it's time to dehydrate or freeze-dry them to prepare them for grinding. Dehydration removes the moisture from fruits and vegetables, while freeze-drying preserves their nutrients and flavor. Both methods are effective for creating a powdered form of your ingredients. 5. Once your ingredients are dried, it's time to grind them into a fine powder. You can use a spice grinder, a food processor, or even a mortar and pestle, depending on the texture you're aiming for. The goal is to create a uniform powder that will blend seamlessly into your recipes. With your powdered ingredients ready to go, it's time to mix them together to create your collagen booster powder. Be sure to combine them thoroughly to ensure that each scoop contains a balanced blend of nutrients. Once mixed, store your powder in an airtight container away from heat and moisture to preserve its freshness. 6. Now that you have your homemade collagen booster powder ready to go, it's time to start incorporating it into your daily routine. There are countless ways to enjoy the benefits of your powder, from adding it to smoothies and juices to sprinkling it over yogurt or oatmeal. Get creative and experiment with different recipes to find the ones you enjoy most. Don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with different recipes using your collagen booster powder. You can use it to enhance the nutritional value of everything from baked goods to savory dishes. The sky's the limit when it comes to incorporating your powder into your favorite foods and beverages. As with any dietary supplement, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results from your collagen booster powder. Make it a habit to incorporate it into your daily routine, and be patient. The benefits may not be immediate, but with regular use, you'll likely start to notice improvements in your skin's health and appearance over time. Crafting your homemade collagen booster powder is a fun and rewarding way to support your skin's health and appearance naturally. By selecting high-quality ingredients that are rich in essential nutrients like vitamin C, protein, and antioxidants, you can create a potent powder that helps promote collagen production and maintain youthful-looking skin. Whether you're adding it to your morning smoothie or experimenting with new recipes, incorporating your collagen booster powder into your daily routine is sure to leave you glowing from the inside out. There you have it, 2 fabulous methods of making your own DIY anti-aging collagen powder. Creating your own anti-aging collagen powder at home is a rewarding and cost-effective way to support your skin's health. By incorporating this natural supplements into your daily routine, you take a proactive step towards maintaining a radiant and youthful appearance. Remember, consistency is key, so make it a part of your daily wellness routine for optimal results. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up as you have found this video helpful, subscribe, comment and share. Until next time, stay beautiful in your youthful radiance.